Imagine waking up to the aroma of a delicious and nutritious breakfast that not only satiates your morning hunger, but also kickstarts your day with a boost of energy. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, we're here to take you on a culinary journey that promises to transform your mornings. We'll introduce you to some incredible, lip-smacking breakfast ideas that pack a punch in terms of flavor and nutrition, so hang on to your taste buds because they're about to go on a joyride. Stay tuned to discover 15 incredible breakfast dishes that are as healthy as they are delicious. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but why is that exactly? Well, imagine kicking off your day with an empty fuel tank. Not the best idea, right? That's essentially what happens to our bodies when we skip breakfast. This first meal of the day is like that initial boost of fuel that gets the engine running. A healthy breakfast jumpstarts our metabolism, helping us burn calories throughout the day. It also gives us the energy we need to get things done and helps us focus, be it at work or at school. Not to mention when we wake up, our blood sugar levels are usually low. Breakfast helps replenish it. Moreover, the right foods in the morning can aid in controlling our appetite. It reduces our hunger throughout the day, making us less likely to overeat. It's like setting up a domino effect of good choices. And let's not forget, a balanced breakfast contributes to a healthy lifestyle. It's a golden opportunity to get in some important food groups like grains, proteins, and fruits. So it's not just about eating anything, but eating the right things. Now that we understand the significance of a nutritious breakfast, let's dive into some mouth-watering breakfast ideas. Our first breakfast idea is a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with mixed berries and a drizzle of honey. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse that keeps you satiated, while the mixed berries are bursting with antioxidants and vitamins. The honey, nature's own sweetener, not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also boosts your energy levels. To prepare this dish, spoon some Greek yogurt into a bowl, scatter a handful of mixed berries on top, and finish with a drizzle of honey. This simple yet delicious breakfast is sure to give your day a sweet start. Next up, we have a classic favorite, whole wheat toast with peanut butter and banana. This breakfast combo is simple yet packed with nutrients. Whole wheat toast provides fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full. Peanut butter, rich in heart-healthy fats and protein, contributes to longer-lasting energy. And let's not forget bananas. They're a great source of potassium and vitamin B6, boosting your mood and brain power. To whip up this dish, slather a generous layer of peanut butter onto your toasted whole wheat bread and top it off with banana slices. Voila! A tasty and nutritious breakfast in under 5 minutes. With this breakfast, you'll be ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. Our third breakfast idea is a white omelet with spinach and feta. Now, if you're looking for a protein punch right in the morning, this is your go-to. Egg whites are a superstar source of high-quality protein and vitamins. And let's not forget spinach, a leafy green that's loaded with vitamins and iron. Add in the feta, and you're bringing calcium and a tangy zing to the table. To make this dish, you'll whisk your egg whites until they're frothy, then pour them into a hot pan. Add spinach and crumbled feta, fold it over, and voila, a breakfast masterpiece. This protein-packed breakfast is sure to keep you full and focused throughout the morning. We've covered 3 fantastic breakfast ideas, but we're just getting started. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a tasteful journey to explore 12 more delectable and nutritious breakfast ideas. Let's kick off the countdown with breakfast idea number 4, a classic bowl of oatmeal. Not just any oatmeal, though. We're talking about steel-cut oats, simmered with almond milk and topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, and a handful of fresh berries. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, this breakfast will keep your energy levels steady all morning. Next up, breakfast idea number 5, avocado toast. This simple yet satisfying dish involves whole grain toast topped with creamy mashed avocado and a pinch of sea salt. You could also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chili flakes to elevate the flavors. This breakfast is a great source of healthy fats and whole grains. Now, for breakfast idea number 6, a refreshing smoothie bowl. Combine your favorite fruits, a splash of almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder in a blender. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with granola, chia seeds, and coconut flakes. This is an easy, customizable, and antioxidant-rich breakfast option. Moving on to breakfast idea number 7, quinoa breakfast bowls. Quinoa, a complete protein, is cooked and topped with roasted vegetables, a boiled egg, and a dollop of hummus. It's a fantastic way to start the day with a hearty dose of protein and veggies. For our eighth breakfast idea, we're suggesting a delightful flax seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with viscous fiber, a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel in your gut. Research suggests that adding flaxseed to your diet can have a powerful effect on weight loss and appetite control. Similarly, a study in 18 men showed that bread buns with added flaxseed fiber suppressed appetite and enhanced fullness more than regular buns. Flax seeds are versatile and easy to enjoy. Next, breakfast idea. Number 9, a power-packed chia seed pudding. Soak chia seeds overnight in almond milk, and by morning you'll have a gelatinous pudding. Top it with a drizzle of honey, a handful of nuts, and some fresh fruit. This is a great option for those who need a quick grab-and-go breakfast. Breakfast idea number 10, nutritious kiwi. Kiwis contain a specific type of fiber called pectin, which has been shown to enhance feelings of fullness, decrease appetite, and boost weight loss. They also act as a natural laxative by stimulating the movement of your digestive tract to support regularity and help you lose water weight temporarily. Idea number 11 is coffee. Because of its caffeine content, coffee may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism and fat burning. Another study in 58,157 adults showed that coffee may aid long-term weight control, as increased coffee intake was associated with less weight gain over a 12-year period. For breakfast idea number 12, oatmeal. Research shows that beta-glucan can balance blood sugar levels, working to prevent spikes and crashes that may drive up your appetite. One small study in 14 overweight adults also showed that consuming higher amounts of beta-glucan led to higher levels of peptide YY, a hormone that regulates food intake by reducing appetite. Breakfast idea number 13 is a sweet potato hash. Sauté diced sweet potatoes with bell peppers, onions, and spices for a nutrient-dense and flavorful breakfast dish. Moving on to breakfast idea number 14. Cottage cheese served with a side of fresh fruit. This simple pairing provides a good balance of protein and carbohydrates to kickstart your day. Finally, breakfast idea number 15, a homemade granola bar, packed with oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. These bars are a convenient on-the-go breakfast option. With these 15 breakfast ideas, your mornings are sure to be delicious and nutritious. Remember, a good day starts with a good breakfast, so rise, shine, and make your breakfast count. We hope these breakfast ideas have inspired you to start your day with a nutritious meal. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It kickstarts your metabolism, helps burn calories throughout the day, and gives you the energy you need to get things done. Today, we've journeyed through 15 delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. From Greek yogurt with mixed berries and honey, to whole wheat toast with peanut butter and banana, to a white omelet with spinach and feta. And let's not forget the other 12 lip-smacking dishes we've explored, each one designed to not just satisfy your taste buds, but also to provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Making a healthy breakfast a part of your daily routine can help you lead a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. It's about making choices that are good for you and also taste great. And remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't be afraid to mix it up and try something new. If you enjoyed this video and would like more health and nutrition tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy eating and stay healthy.